down the stairs. No way. Oh, I see the hay flying up. No way. You're good at this. Now he's going down. Oh, he crashed. First crash. Oh, how did you stabilize it?
I didn't. Hope your dog didn't
Oh, gosh. Hold the phone. I'll get it. I'll get it. Oh.
I'm not going to hold it against you.
Apollo, let it go. Apollo, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't eat it. Don't eat that drone. No teeth marks.
Awesome.
You're golden.
And like I said, I got insurance on it, and you can't be afraid to crash it. So
You bought insurance on it, huh?
it's $99 for 2 years, and I paid deductible if I crash it. So
Did it cover dog biting?
it covers anything.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, that's really crazy. So when you move your head, OMG.
So now I'm looking down.
Are you kidding me?
You don't have to worry about it. So that's
No way.
If you want to do this, you don't have to worry about hitting anything.
Come
It
on.
just moves around.
You're moving your head.
Yep, I'm looking up.
You're looking up.
Okay.
That must. Do you feel like you're in a different world right now?
Yeah, you definitely get in the zone. You definitely, it's like an outer body experience. Footage, but I guess you can take a closer look at it. But how does the lens look?
It's turning away. It's like a chicken's head.
It's a gyroscope. It's automatic.
There's a little piece of fuzz hay on there.
Yeah, actually, I have a microfiber.
All right.
So I gotta.
All of your little parts here. My hands are dirty, guys. Sorry, I've been working in the barn. Sorry about that. And my nails are painted pink, obviously, because of my daughter's handyman work.
He told me collision detected and told me to check propellers carefully for cracks. So what the check?
Check the propellers carefully for cracks. Okay, we're inspecting. I need you guys to assist with the inspection of the propellers. I'll turn the flash on. Do we see any cracks here? Do we see any cracks here? So far, so good. I am not seeing any cracks. I think you're pretty golden.
Okay, I'll just
wipe the lens off.
Yeah, wipe the lens off, get a piece of hay out, and I'll have some fun in the air. I think I'll take a break from flying inside.
Okay, do some freestyle in the air.